I'd like to start this video by giving you an overview of the topics to be covered. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to create an account on Polkadot, import an existing account, set a password for signing transactions, send and receive tokens. There are several ways to generate an account on Polkadot. If you're a beginner and you would like to create an account in a secure way, we recommend that you create it using Polkadot.js browser plugin. First things first, make sure you have the Polkadot.js browser extension installed on your browser. When you use it for the first time, you see this note that suggests the extension does not track or transmit any of your account information. You can treat this browser extension as a virtual vault that stores your account keys. The user interface of the browser plugin is pretty minimalistic. Click on the plus button to create a new account. Immediately, you are presented with this mnemonic seed that is randomly generated. This mnemonic seed helps create public and private keys to your account. If anyone gets access to this mnemonic seed, they will have full access to your account and its tokens. It should be obvious that this seed phrase should be kept secret, right? You can either copy over your seed phrase to an encrypted folder, or even better, jot it down on a piece of paper and store it safely somewhere. If you observe closely, the account address starts with a 5. This is a generic substrate address. The best part about the account you just created is that you can have an address on any substrate-based chain on Polkadot ecosystem. Let's see what your account address would be on Polkadot. There you go. Let's see what it would be on Kusama. There it is. So just with one mnemonic seed, you now have an account address on all the substrate-based chains on Polkadot ecosystem. For now, let us move on and create an account on Polkadot chain. You can give a descriptive name to this account, and this data is stored locally in the browser extension. Even the password you specify here is stored locally. This password will be used to sign the transactions you intend to submit to the chain using this account. Now, is this account portable? In other words, can you access this account on a different device or a different wallet of your choice? The answer is yes. There are many wallets and apps out there that are developed for Polkadot ecosystem. They will allow you to enter the seed phrase or let you import the JSON file associated with your account. For this very reason, the browser extension lets you export your account to a JSON file, which is password protected. Let me demonstrate how to import your account using the JSON file and set it up on this browser extension on a brand new browser. There you go, pretty much the same. Now that we created an account, how do we make transactions with it? Clearly, the browser plugin is not equipped with that functionality, right? For that, you'll have to open Polkadot.js apps on your browser. You have to let Polkadot.js apps access your account, and for that reason, you click OK. Right now, the browser extension holds your account information, and you get to choose what websites can have access to that information. Click on the settings icon right there, and you can see the list of websites that already have access. All right, now navigate to the chain in which you would like to make the transaction. Once you provide the access, your account will be injected. If you already have tokens on your account, they would show up here. As this account was created for this tutorial, currently it has no balance. Okay, I'm going to switch over to a different browser with an extension that has an account with some balance in it. All right, so I'll navigate to the Accounts tab and make sure the account is injected and the account balance shows up. I'll click on the Send button, and now I'll enter the address to which the tokens have to be sent. So I'm going to enter the tutorial account address here, enter the number of tokens, and press the Send button. you'll be asked to sign this transaction. Remember that we entered a password while setting this account on the browser extension. That needs to be entered here, and there you go. The tokens are now sent to the tutorial account address. Let me switch back to the tutorial account and confirm if I received those tokens. There you go. I now see the transferred balance. If you'd like to view all the transactions that are made on this account, you can click on any of these scanners and you'll be presented with an interface that shows you all the account transactions. We hope you are now familiar with the basics of account management using Polkadot.js.